Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering on your TCL Smart TV and your phone. Confirm both devices connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep them within 30 feet or 9 meters for reliable discovery. Next, identify your TCL operating system so you know which setup menu to use. If your TCL runs Roku, go to Settings, then System, then Screen Mirroring. If it runs Android or Google TV, open Network and Internet, then Cast or Screencast. Also update firmware and phone OS to their latest versions for smoother connection. To cast from Android, open Settings, then Connected Devices and tap Cast. Wait for your TCL TV name to appear in the device list and select it. For iPhone, swipe into Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring to reveal available devices. Tap your TCL TV when it appears and enter the code if prompted on screen. Your phone display will then mirror to the TV with audio. Stop casting anytime by returning to the same menu on your phone and tapping Disconnect or Stop Casting. If wireless casting fails, try a wired HDMI connection with an adapter. Use a USB-C to HDMI adapter for most Android phones or a Lightning to HDMI adapter for iPhone. Plug the adapter into your phone and connect an HDMI cable to the TV HDMI port. Switch the TV input to the correct HDMI channel to view your phone. For persistent wireless issues, restart Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode, or reboot both devices. Also check for and install firmware or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.